Hello everyone, my name is Naila Zakia Malika. I'm taking Master in Computer Science in Management and Science University. The title on my paper, IoT Based Poultry Farm Temperature and Humidity Monitoring System, a case study. In this presentation, we started from introduction, objective or aims of the paper, monitoring system in poultry farm, device used in smart poultry farm, types development smart poultry farm system on previous study. The last is analysis and result. The next slide is introduction. The importance of the poultry industry in Malaysia is an essential sector since it supplies Malaysia with a low-cost source of protein. According to the statistic by Hisman in 2021, in Malaysia consume roughly 50 kg of chicken meat and 370 eggs every year. Malaysia prefers chicken to meat as the second most common meat. It's supplied by almost 3,000 poultry farmers nationwide. Malaysia is a very large supplier of chicken export to Singapore, around 1,716 chicken export to Singapore for food needs. In the modern era, now there are many IoT technology that can help the work of people. There are such many sophisticated tools that use the IoT concept to simplify working even at home using the IoT concept. Preparation of the research is to help small poultry farmers use the IoT concept to easy working and provide security in the health of poultry farmers. Many of the small poultry farmers in Malaysia are still using old technology in managing the poultry industry among them. Only a small farmer who can use advanced tools to manage the farm because of the high price. For the reason, the research is built to help small farmers monitor poultry farm using the IoT. In this paper, can monitor temperature of the chicken cage, also developing a temperature sensor to determine and controlling the temperature in the chicken cage to avoid the room temperature change in the significant. Objective of this paper. The first point. The aim of this paper is focused in assisting small poultry farmers to use the IoT concept to easy their work and providing security in the health of poultry farm. The second point takes a step forward to help small farmers in the monitoring poultry farm using the Internet of Things and analyzing the reading of the temperature sensor to get accurate sensor reading in the chicken cage need. Monitoring system in poultry farm. In the traditional poultry farm, to determine the environmental condition of chicken, the farmer needs to observe the environment of the chicken cage. The farmer will enter to the cage to monitor the chicken environment. The farmer will turn on the light as the chicken heater manual to monitor the temperature and humidity in the chicken cage. With the IoT technology, monitoring system in poultry farm will use the temperature sensor to determine temperature chicken cage. Monitoring system using a sensor DHC22 as the temperature and humidity sensor and LCD display will show the temperature result report by the sensor. The application of small poultry farm in this monitoring the chicken cage by using website and sensor results showing the temperature and humidity level in the chicken cage through message. Device Smart Poultry Farm. Device Smart Poultry Farm are using the sensor of temperature and humidity DHT22, microcontroller ESP8266, heat lamp and fan to neutralize the temperature and humidity level in the chicken cage and electricity. Types development small poultry farm system on previous study. There for reference of this paper used as development smart poultry farm system based on previous study. First point, development of modular smart farm system. This study is using LM35 sensor, a probe sensor, and an AccuWeather as the temperature level indicator. Humidity was measuring use DHT11 and DHT22 sensor. Second is farming. Monitoring system for temperature, ammonia level, feed in chicken farm utilize wireless sensor and mobile network using automatic cage heater. Third point, design and implementation of temperature and relative humidity control system for poultry farm using ATmega 328P as microcontroller and DHC22 as a temperature sensor. The fourth is design and analyze automatic temperature control in the broiler poultry farm based on wireless sensor network. Development of modular smart farm system. Azlin et al. 2018 study focused on particularly in the poultry sector with integrating electronic and then system wireless technology into farm monitoring. The system was split into two modules, master module and slave module. The measurement wirelessly sent to master module for data processing utilized the HC12RF module through radio frequency serial connection. In addition, the set point value determined by sensor data is utilized to control the fan output parameter. Farming monitoring system for temperature ammonia level feed in the chicken farm. Based on the study conducted with Budiarto et al.'s integrated SMS gateway and wireless sensor with Raspberry Pi 3 and DHC22. Raspberry Pi 3 Model B is used as server and DHC22 is used as temperature and humidity level sensor. The user will get information on the temperature level on the farm through GPRS, General Packet Radio Service Network, and combined with WSN Wireless Sensor Network. As a temperature and humidity control, they use an automated temperature regulator system using LPG to control the temperature automatically. Design and implementation of temperature and relative humidity control system for poultry farm. In this study, Jayat et al. Conducted system using 80 Mega 328p MCU and DHC22 sensor to achieve the project temperature and humidity sensor object. Based on their methodology system experiment, the temperature and humidity control sensor received instruction from the 80 Mega 328p. The sensor sends the signal to the relay, instructing it to switch on or off the recommended or defined loads to maintain the temperature and relative humidity level inside the chicken farm. The temperature and humidity were shown on the LCD display regulated by the loads in the room. Those pictures are block diagram installation based on Jayat et al. Study. Design and analysis automatic temperature control in the broiler poultry farm based on wireless sensor network. In this study by Wicaksono et al. Experimented in creating temperature and humidity monitoring system with the XB method as wireless connectivity modules. The XB module allows device to communicate wirelessly with one another, and the endpoint XP as control to collect data from result of this experiment will transmit the data from microcontroller to database. Arduino Uno was used as a microcontroller and DHC11 as temperature sensor module. The picture is a schematic diagram based on study Wicaksono et al. Study. Result and analysis. Comparative error result. Based on analysis of those paper studies, the comparative of error results shown in Azlin system calculated the sensor. It is necessary to consider the reference point. The sensor calculation configuration is needed in the system to convert from the analog value to temperature degree. The poultry farm accurate temperature was recorded at 27.5 degrees Celsius. In that case, when the real temperature is 27.5 degrees Celsius and the analog value in a measure is 115. At the same time, at Azlin et al., a comparison of indoor results show a not too significant difference between 28.46 degrees Celsius in robot design lab and Budiarto system inside with a small poultry system, 29.80 degrees Celsius with a difference of 1.34 degrees Celsius. The experiment conducted by Budiarto et al. Has a similar sensor to the experiment conducted by Azlin study. In a study, Budiarto et al. Using LPG as output sensor is too dangerous and easy to fire in the chicken cage because LPG is a flammable gas holder if there is a spark. In this study, Wicaksono et al. Made a data collection based on comparing the HTC2 thermometer and the HC11 sensor to get the sensor accuracy error. The calculation result on DHC11 sensor and HTC2 thermometer have an average error of 1.50% because DHC11 sensor has a sensitivity. The most significant error reading accuracy is 1.41 degrees Celsius. However, this result is still tolerance of DHC11 limit, which is 2 degrees Celsius.